Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger fuel pump. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure. This is crucial to avoid fuel spray. Make sure you are wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to protect yourself from fuel and debris. Taking these initial steps ensures a safer working environment for everyone. Once safety measures are in place, you need to access the fuel pump. Begin by safely lifting your Ford Ranger and securing it firmly on jack stands. This provides the necessary clearance to work underneath. Next, drain the fuel tank to reduce its weight and prevent any large spills during removal. Finally, carefully disconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors attached to the fuel pump module, ensuring no damage occurs. With the tank accessible, the next step is to remove the fuel pump itself. Carefully lower the fuel tank from the vehicle's frame, ensuring it is supported. Before proceeding, thoroughly clean the area around the fuel pump module to prevent any dirt or debris from entering the tank. Then, use a specialized fuel pump retaining ring tool to unlock and remove the large retaining ring that holds the pump in place. This allows you to extract the old pump. Now for installation. Insert the new fuel pump module, ensuring a fresh O-ring is properly seated, then secure it with the retaining ring. Carefully raise and reattach the fuel tank to the vehicle's frame. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors, double-checking each connection for security. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, refill the fuel tank and perform a thorough inspection for any leaks before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.